Welcome to our channel. Here's how you can fix IRS refund delays with easy and effective troubleshooting steps. Welcome to our channel if you're waiting on your IRS refund. But facing frustrating delays, don't worry, we're here to guide you through a thorough step-by-step process. To help fix those refund holdups, first it's important to understand why your refund might be delayed. The most common reasons include errors on your tax return, identity verification issues, or the IRS processing backlog. Once you've identified potential causes, here's what you can do. Step 1. Check the status of your refund online using the IRS Where's My Refund tool, accessible on their official website or via the IRS To Go app. This tool updates daily and gives the most accurate status of your refund. Step 2. Review your tax return you filed. Make sure all your personal information like social security number and bank account details are correct. Errors here can cause significant delays. Step 3. If the IRS needs to verify your identity, they will generally contact you by mail. This is a crucial step, so respond promptly to any IRS correspondence and provide requested documents as soon as possible. Step 4. If you suspect your refund is stuck due to IRS backlog, especially during peak tax seasons or pandemics, check for IRS announcements on delays and processing times. Being informed helps manage expectations. Step 5. Consider calling the IRS directly if you have waited over 21 days since the IRS accepted your return and have not received any contact from them. When you call, have your tax return, social security number, and any IRS letters handy to help the representative assist you quickly. Step 6. In some cases, taxpayers may need to submit additional forms or information requested by IRS. This could include amended returns or identity verification forms. Be sure to follow instructions carefully and keep copies of all submitted documents. Step 7. Make sure your bank account information is accurate to receive your refund via direct deposit. If direct deposit fails, the IRS typically sends a paper check, which can take longer. Step 8. Keep records of all communications and confirmations from the IRS. This will be important in case you need to escalate your case or seek professional tax help. Step 9. If delays persist beyond typical timelines, consider consulting a tax professional or contacting the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance. They can intervene on your behalf to help resolve complex issues. Getting your refund might take time, but staying organized, informed, and proactive can make a big difference. Remember, regular checks and quick responses are key to resolving IRS refund delays efficiently. Thank you for following along, and I hope these steps help you receive your refund faster. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tax tips and guides.